Hi, I'm Dr. Doreen Downing. I'll be leading the workshop this week. Speak with Confidence, 3 steps to overcome fear and find your voice. I'm excited about welcoming you. What I have is a process designed just for you so that you can face fear, embrace it, and replace it. Those are the 3 topics we will be covering. It's a workshop, which means I think it's good if you could bring a pen and paper and be prepared to follow me with exercises and answering questions. It's really interactive. And so if you can come on when you sign in on camera, that means I'll get to say hello, see you, and welcome you. So thank you. Get ready for a great transformational week, and I will be guiding you to finding your voice so that you can speak up with a deeper confidence anytime, anywhere.